Having spent 30 years in the market and seen many bull and bear cycles, and being fortunate enough to work with some of the best and most successful investment minds in the country, I realized that in this journey, one is the market itself, which has moved higher. However, some people have gone out and created disproportionate wealth. They have outperformed the market by miles. And what is it that really has been the sauce, the secret sauce of them creating this outperformance, this massive wealth creation? And I realized that at all points in the market, there are always some themes that are working out, some trends that are working out. For example, between 1990 and 92, when I had just come in, the theme was cement, thanks to, of course, Harshad Mehta. But the fact is that the wealth creation or the money that was made in these cement stocks was much or many times more than the market. The next big theme I saw was between 1998 and 2000, when you had the IT bull market. Some of the biggest IT names, some of the well-discovered and liquid IT names also outperformed the market by hundreds of percent. Similarly, between 2003 to 2008, we had a very big infrastructure and real estate bull market. And the wealth creation impact on those portfolios which were focused on these themes was massive. And subsequently, from 2015 to 2020, it was private sector banks and financials. So what really happens is that irrespective of where the index is going, the wealth creation happens if you are logged into these themes, these trends. And that is what trend investing is all about. It is about discovering these trends and participating in them in a concentrated way so as to create that alpha and see a massive wealth creation impact. So trend investing is all about aligning your portfolio or navigating your portfolio between these themes as they play out. Apart from these four themes, there have been many other themes, like we had a pharma theme, we had a two-wheeler theme, specialty chemicals right now. So there are a lot of themes that play out. And the interesting part is that when one theme or one trend ends, a new one erupts, a new one emerges somewhere else. And as a portfolio manager, my job is to be able to navigate the client's portfolios through these themes, through these trends. That is my understanding of trend investing. Trend investing for me actually is three stages. First, find the trend. Second is ride the trend. And third is exit the trend. Finding the trend is what most people obsess about. But trend investing is not about discovering the next trend or preempting the next trend. In fact, trend investing is about let the trend emerge and then invest in it. Because even if you are slightly late or you do not catch the bottom, the length or the middle section of the trend is what a trend investor is trying to capture. That is about finding the trend. Second is riding the trend. The part where you have to do nothing, basically just sit on the trend. Unfortunately, it's the most difficult part because it requires immense patience. And people like to do something every day. They want to outperform on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. But riding the trend is all about sitting and patience, because once you have the trend in your grip, it is in this phase that you will really make money. As the line goes, that money is made on sitting rather than being in and out. And finally, the exit. Exit is one place where even seasoned money managers fail, because what happens is we fall in love with our stocks, we fall in love with our themes, we fall in love with our sectors, and the detachment to be able to sell is very important. You do not have to fall in love with anything in this market. Everything is cyclical. No trend is perpetual. And the ability to exit is very, very important. Not only does it reduces losses wherever you have to book a loss, but more important is that you also have to book profits, because till you do not book profits, do not exit trends, how will you find the capital to participate in the next trend? Because over the years, we've seen that money never sleeps. Trends are there at all points in time. It's just that they're cyclical and they change. And that is all, as I understand trend investing, being able to find, ride, and exit trends effectively. That is how we participate as in themes. That is how we participate in trends at Marathon Trends Advisory.